everyone, I'm Miss Khin from the Eastlake Public Library. Today we're going to make a cute hedgehog craft. The materials we're going to need are a light brown paper strip. We will use 2 inches by 8 inches and some dark brown paper strips. We will use 1/2 inch wide, a pair of scissors, a glue stick and a black marker pen. First, glue the ends of light brown paper strips together. Okay. On this side, trim around the corner just a little bit to make it looks nice and round. So let's trim on this side. Let's trim the corners just a little bit. So this is the face of your hedgehog and this is its body. Set it aside. From the dark brown paper strips, cut little pieces diagonally like this. Cut as many as you like. Okay, cut small pieces diagonally from the dark brown paper, as many as you like. Now you got the spikes for your hedgehog. These are the spikes for your hedgehog. Glue 1/2 of a spike and stick it onto the body. Glue another spike, 1/2 of the spike, glue it and stick it onto the body and glue the rest of the spikes onto the body. You can glue as many spikes as you like. Just glue just 1/2 of the spike. Okay. Okay, let's try the glue. Okay, here are your spikes. Use a black marker pen to draw a nose and 2 eyes on the face. Your cute hedgehog craft is done. Isn't it cute? Thank you for watching. See you next week.